It is the beauty of democracy that both opposition and ruling parties come together on issues of national interest. But Congress, now headed by Rahul Gandhi, seems to be breaking this tradition. Even Rahul has gone to the extent of not respecting the protocol. Rahul Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge declined the invitation to attend investors' meet in Congress-ruled Karnataka's capital, Bangalore, on February 12th to 14th, citing their busy engagements with the parliamentary session. But this was not the truth. The truth was something else. Actually, Rahul was not interested to share the platform with the flurry of union ministers who were attending the event. Thus, he made the excuse of a parliament session. It is noteworthy that session was not just for Rahul or Kharge, but also for ministers who took out their time to attend investors' meet, which certainly was in the interest of the state of Karnataka. Rahul seems to have forgotten that he is the leader of the opposition in the country and has his responsibilities as an opposition leader in a democratic nation like India. But Rahul has got into the habit of being an anarchist, even missing at those places where his attendance is must as per the protocol. Rahul Gandhi should learn from his party colleague and Karnataka Deputy CM DK Shivkumar. Tomorrow, on the occasion of Mahashivratri, DK Shivkumar will be attending the Shivratri celebrations at Isha Yoga Center, Coimbatore. Interestingly, Union Home Minister Amit Shah, along with other dignitaries, will also be attending the event. And this is not the first time DK Shivkumar is doing so. Even during the opening of the US consulate in Bangalore, DK Shivkumar shared a podium with Union Minister of External Affairs S. Jaishankar. He kept development above politics. He even took a holy dip in Prayagraj Mahakumbh, yet again keeping his belief above party politics. Probably Rahul still needs to get mature.